Okay, so before starting this lesson, I just want to let you know that this lesson is coming from this book, and this is Microsoft's #1 selling Excel book, and they asked Dr. Winston to write it. And the reason I'm telling you this isn't to buy the book. The content's free, like we're posting YouTube videos, right? It's more to let you know that you're getting a world-class education if you just watch the content. The video's there, just watch the whole thing. And if you have any questions, just let us know. We're more than happy to help. The only requirement, if I answer the question or if Dr. Winston does, is that we can make the video so more people can watch it, right? So we can have the solution for you guys and girls, and then we can post it to where other people can find it valuable. And again, underneath in the description, there are going to be the start files and the ending files, meaning you can download them. No email, you don't need anything. Just click on the link. You'll automatically download the files, and you can follow along, and you can have the formulas in your spreadsheet or in Dr. Winston's spreadsheet. And then we do offer a free 21-day course. Again, the link is in the description, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free. And so yeah, but again, if you do like this video, if you could comment and if you could like it and subscribe. And the reason for this is not just to be notified, because you will every time we post a video, and we're trying to post, I don't know, we're trying to do 3 a week, but I'm going to start making content as well, and we should hopefully be able to do 1 a day. And so yeah, but also the bigger benefit is that if you think the content is valuable, then by liking and commenting and subscribing to the channel, more people will see it. The algorithm of YouTube will push the video to more people. And so we just want to make sure that we can reach as many people as we want. It's free, it's YouTube, right? So like the content is there, and so we hope you find it valuable. And again, if you have any questions, just go ahead and leave a comment, and I'll be monitoring it. And I'm more than happy to help, more than happy to answer. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video.
When creating a chart that has a spaced out x-axis or a large variance of numbers, it is important to label the values of the chart, whether it's a line chart or a column chart. It is important to solve this problem because it will allow you and your team to quickly absorb information and save time and money. Dr. Winston solves this problem by showing how to add data labels as well as how to edit them.
In the last video, we added bling to our column graphs by changing a column into a picture of a product such as an airplane, or if you want a soda bottle, etc. In the next few videos, we'll show you how you can add data labels and data tables to your graph that also make your graph look a little cooler. So let's look at the file labels and tables temp, and we'll first show you how to put data labels on a chart. So here we have monthly sales of products. Let's just do insert a column chart. So that looks cool. Okay, now if you see the plus sign to the right of that chart, okay, you can go data labels and then click on the arrow. Okay, and you can say more options. Okay, and you can do category name and value. So now I see the product, and I also see the amount I sold separated by a comma. And if I want, I could change that to a new line as the separator, and I think that looks really cool. Okay, so that's how you can do data labels, very straightforward. And I think, of course, you could delete the x-axis. If you click on that, you probably don't need it now because you've got the product category up there. Okay, well, that's all we had on creating data labels. In the next video, we'll show you how to create a data table that goes below the chart.
All right, so now that you watched the video, we hope you like this stuff. I mean, we're going to be posting a lot of content, hopefully. The goal is to do 2 to 3 of Dr. Winston's videos a week, and then 3 to 4 or 5. The goal is 1 a day, so 7 of me producing content or me answering questions, from people and stuff like that. I mean, you guys probably don't know me, and girls, but I'm an alumni of Dr. Winston's. I am a consultant in Excel. I do this stuff for a living. And so, yeah, if you have any questions on this or in general, leave a comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff. Not so much just so you get a update, but more because, if you think this video is good or you like the content and you think other people will like the content as you like and as you comment and as you subscribe, YouTube, the algorithm is going to push this to other people. It's gonna be on their homepage, people searches and stuff like that. And so our goal is to get this content out, to as many people as possible. I mean, it's free. but it's really, really good. I'm an alumni, again, of Dr. Winston's, and I can personally, vouch for it because I was in his classes. I took all of his classes. I took his marketing analytics. I took his data modeling class, his stats class, his financial analytics class. Like, I've done it all, and it's just amazing content. And the challenge with YouTube is there's not in-depth content as to where with this you have really, really in-depth content. And so yeah, any questions, let me know, leave a comment, and I'll be there to help. Thanks.